learn Superman shape. I think it's one of the most beautiful shapes in pole dancing because it just looks awesome. If you would like to learn more about pole dancing, flexibility, pole conditioning, follow my channel. Subscribe my channel. So, let's start. At first, I'm gonna show you correct technique for this shape. And after that, I will show you a few different entrances into Superman. And also, I will show you a few, maybe like a few exits or combos that you can do from Superman shape. So I can cover like a beginners, intermediate, and more advanced skills. So let's start. We will start learn Superman shape from the ground. So squeeze the pole with your like a knee hook. We're going to a Jamila shape. From that position, bring your leg close to the pole. So your hip should have like a contact with the pole. So try to squeeze, like bring your leg as close as you can. From that position, try to bring your knee as close as you can to your face. And after that, turn. When you turn, try to squeeze the pole with your hips as much as you can. I'm slow down. Let's try one more time. And also don't forget to practice on both of your sides. It's really important. So let's try one more time. I'm just gonna do it a little bit higher so I'm not falling. Bring your leg as close as you can. Take off your other leg. Turn. Let's do one more time. When you bring your leg close to the pole, you can a little slide down, so it's gonna be a little bit easier to turn. Great. This trick looks really awesome on a spinning pole. And now I'm gonna show you the most popular entrance in the Superman shape. I'm gonna show it for you from the ground, but it really looks awesome when you do it aerially. So we're gonna start from invert. After that, bring your arm like above your knees, another arm going down. From that position, bring your leg, turn, squeeze, extend your arm. I'm turning around. So, one more time. Invert, up, up, up. And we are in a Superman shape. Another entrance. Actually one of my least favorite ones because I think it's a little bit painful, but it can be really awesome if you start your routine with this entrance. It's gonna be a jump entrance. So, ta-da! We are into Superman. Let's watch one more time. It can be a little bit scary at first, but it's really easy entrance. And painful too. Another entrance that I really love, it's entrance from a shoulder mount. And after that, up, we're in a Superman. all my favorites entrances. Now I'm gonna show you a few different exits or combos from Superman. Let's start. So when you're in a Superman, one of my favorite ones is bring yourself closer to the pole. You really need good a back flexibility. After that, grab the pole and go into teddy shape. It's a really good one. Next one gonna be a little bit more advanced, but it's really look awesome. We're gonna go to shoulder mount. After that, yes, you also can go to Titanic pose, or you can go to shoulder mount, and after shoulder mount, you can go to brass monkey or any different shapes. Yes, I think it's one of my favorite exits. Actually, it exists a lot of different exits and entrances and progressions, but I show you my favorite ones. So, if you would like to learn more about pole dancing and learn different shapes, combos, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to learn some particular shape, just leave the comment below.